Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. Happy holidays to you all. Today I am in my downstairs bathroom, aka paddle room. I am going to show it some love. I am not going to do a full holiday decor. I'm just going to add a touch of the holiday season. If you are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I share glam home decor, cleaning, a little bit of cooking and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos as soon as I upload. And to all of you, my returning Glam Squad, I love you all. Thanks so much for stopping by today. So let's get started with decorating. Let me let you guys know what I have going on over here. You guys already know how I do it. Normally I have two curtains. This is the first one, very nice with a little bit of shimmer, very pretty. And then I'm gonna go back with a second one. There it is. It is so pretty, so feminine. I love it. The first one is from TJ Maxx. This one is from Home Goods. Of course, I have a glam piece on top. The panels are only 96 inches, hence the reason they are not going all the way up, touching the ceiling. But these panels are way more too beautiful for me not to get them because of the length. The curtain hooks and the rods are from Amazon. I started with a bath towel, just a regular towel. I showed this type of folding technique before on the channel to achieve this look. It's a little bit wrinkled, so we're going to steam it. This is my new steamer. I got it from Amazon. I really like it. It is an iron/steamer. Trust me, you're gonna love it too. I will leave the link in the description box. And then I added a hand towel. I folded in a way to create a pocket. Once again, this is another folding technique that was on my folding towel video. I will leave the link for you guys at the end of this video in the description box. In the pocket, I am going to have a cute ornament and a ribbon. But you can have things like lotions or soap, especially if you have it in a guest bathroom. Also, I added a new wall art to bring more green in the bathroom. On top of the toilet, I'm gonna start with a new tray. I think I got it either from Tuesday Morning or TJ Maxx, something like that. I'm not too sure. It is a really good tray, a little bit heavy, not flimsy at all. It looks expensive. And then to add some of the green that I have throughout the house, I'm adding this green candle. I got it from Home Goods. My ladder is from Amazon. Links for everything that I purchased from Amazon will be in the description. By the sink, I'm going to have a small glass stand. And then I am going to add a white bouquet with some very nice pearl branches. On this side, I'm also going to have my soap dispenser, no soap yet. I'll add it in later. I think I got this soap dispenser from Home Goods. It's cute, especially for the holidays season. On the other side, I am going to have some cute napkins. You know, in my powder room, I normally keep papers instead of towels for guests to dry their hands. And then I'm going to be using a mercury-ish bottle for my lotion dispenser. This is the vase that I'm going to have in this area. It's more of a champagne color. And inside of it will be these beautiful, super glam, fancy branches, of course, from TJ Maxx. Most of my fancy branches are from TJ Maxx. I really love them. They are not cheap, $17, but they are so worth it. Here they are. Do you see that, guys? Do you see how beautiful they are? So fancy. Love the pearl. As much as I like the bathroom, I wasn't 100% happy with it, so I'm gonna go back and add a little bit of more Zamzam. In this tray, I'm adding some dark green ornaments. I think it gives the tray a little bit of depth. Also, I moved the lotion and soap dispenser on this side. Also, I am going to tie up the curtains. Got these curtain tie backs from Amazon. And then I am going to tuck them in to make a nice little style. I'm using a pin to attach them on the shower curtain. Now let's see what everything looks like together. This is the work that I have. I got it from Amazon. It's the same work that I have been using for the past few months. Yes, Glam Squad, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it on your social media pages. Remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, especially when I upload the home tour. I would love to see you all there. I love you always. Bye-bye.